Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Tom Kern.
Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. I'm so excited to share how we've refined our award-winning SUV Flagship without changing what customers love about it. Telluride carries on with an upscale, commanding appearance. The new grille introduces more rugged dimensional shapes, and it's flanked by new 100% LED lighting. The lower fascia emphasizes Telluride's off-road credentials. Along the side, the cladding has been updated, and up top, we've added a bridge-type roof rack. There's a strong beam insert added to the rear bumper and clear outer lens on the iconic taillights. Telluride will also feature an entirely new lineup of wheels. Inside, the update is transformational. With nearly 25 inches of curved display, Telluride is more high-tech than ever. And the new full display mirror is a first for Kia. With this, you have the option of using it as a regular mirror or switching to a view from Telluride's rear camera. For 2023, Telluride offers standard Wi-Fi hotspot and a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including new intelligent speed limit assist and forward collision avoidance as standard features. Highway Driving Assist 2 is a new available technology that not only allows you to set the distance and speed from the vehicle ahead, it helps you remain centered in your lane, manage speed through curves, avoid collisions, and safely helps you change lanes. Now, one of the most exciting updates for Telluride is the addition of our X-Line and X Pro models, an enhancement our customers have loved on the Sorento and the new Sportage. For the Telluride, X-Line introduces exclusive trim details, including the grille, X-Line emblem, and body-colored door handles. Special raised roof and 20-inch wheels give X-Line a more aggressive appearance, a clue to its added capabilities thanks to 10 millimeters of additional ground clearance and improved approach and departure angles. And X-Line's tow mode ensures that drivers can make most of its 5,000-pound towing capacity. Inside, exclusive seat patterns set X-Line apart. Now, the X Pro builds on the X-Line content, swapping out the 20-inch wheels with 18-inch wheels and aggressive all-terrain tires. X Pro also lifts towing capacity to 5,500 pounds and provides upgraded traction control system.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.